What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted. Links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we're just letting you know, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. So give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day and check for daily updates. So with that all being said, let's take a look at Polygon here. As you can see, it does look as though we have fell out of this this formation that we have been in here. A lot of people have been saying that that we were potentially looking something more like this, where we're basically forming a pennant like this, which is a possibility, considering that it does look like it has a lot of confluence on the chart, something like this. But we were just saying the ascending triangle because obviously that's pretty much what most cryptocurrencies have been forming up like recently. As you can see, it does look as though this seems to fit the bill quite reasonably as well. But obviously, with Bitcoin breaking down over the last few days, it does seem as though Polygon has also broken down. Pretty much most cryptocurrencies have actually been in an ascending wedge, which is obviously a bearish indicator. But as you can see, we could probably say that this does have a fair amount of confluence here, where we're basically, we've got this bearish pennant, where basically we've been coiling and coiling, but since we've been in a downtrend, we've obviously broken to the downside and the target's been confirmed. So with that all being said, it does seem as though Bitcoin obviously leading the market right now, and with Bitcoin having a big correction to the downside and falling off, it does obviously mean that most cryptocurrencies are going to fall off as well. And we have seen this for Polygon, but obviously, as you can see, I mean, we're absolutely crushed on our RSI right now, and we are probably going to see a nice little spring to the upside as a result of this as well. As you can see, I mean, the last time we were this oversold on our hourly time frame was somewhere here, where essentially we obviously had this big drop off when we had a nice little bounce to $1.70 here. So it's pretty obvious that we're getting very oversold again, and we've been a lot more oversold recently than we have overbought, that's for sure. So there's a lot of bearishness in the market in general, and the sentiment is quite bearish in general, but we do strongly believe that pretty soon there's probably going to start to be a decent bounce for most cryptos, because obviously this bearishness can't continue forever, and it does seem likely to us that the bounce is coming sooner or later for most cryptocurrencies. Obviously, if Bitcoin does start to get that bounce, then we'll see most things going up. But this is something that we have been talking about for weeks now, and a lot of people have been giving us a lot of stick for it, basically saying that, you know, Polygon hasn't bounced whatsoever, and it's actually it's just chopping sideways and slowly going down, basically looking bearish in general. But as we said, obviously we're not mind readers and we can't predict the future, but it does seem that, like, the more time that goes on that we're, you know, in this bearish pattern here, and we're still in a bull market, remember, the more chance of that reversal happening. So I mean, if we zoom out, you can take a look at what we're talking about in a bit more detail, but you can see basically that we have been in a very nice uptrend ever since the start of the year. Pretty much when the bull market began, we've been on an absolute tear, as you can see. We have had some consolidation periods in between, but it does look as though we are having another nice little consolidation phase here. But obviously, as you can see, I mean, we're ridiculously overbought for a long period of time here, and it's quite obvious that the little pullback that we've seen recently was quite telegraphed in the charts. You can see quite clearly that we have there's potentially here a bearish divergence with the price action coming up still, but the RSI going down, which pretty much tells the story of you know, we're basically about to see a nice reversal to the downside. And this happened for Bitcoin, pretty much every single crypto. We just got way too overextended, didn't we? Way too overextended. And as you can see now, we are actually having a nice little consolidation phase. We're actually, you know, chopping it up, getting as oversold as we were all the way back here when we first started this whole run up to the upside. So, I mean, the last time we were this oversold, we were here and this happened. So by our estimation, I mean, what's the most likely outcome here? We're probably going to start to see a bounce pretty soon, considering how oversold we're getting on a daily time frame here, which has a lot of confluence. And it does seem pretty likely to us, obviously, that we're going to start to see a pickup for Polygon in the long term. So obviously a lot of people have been giving YouTubers a lot of flack and a lot of criticism recently, basically saying that all their predictions are wrong. But with the market volatility being as bad as it is, it's pretty clear that it's pretty difficult to predict what's going to happen in the short term. But the long term, it's pretty obvious that Polygon's had an absolute tear recently, and it's been on a very, very nice run. And we do think that this is probably going to continue into the future. As we said, we do think Polygon is a top project, and it seems likely to us that in the long term, it's probably going to do very well. So if you're feeling, you're basically lashing out at YouTubers and telling them that they're wrong and stuff, you probably need to reassess why it is that you're feeling that way and you're feeling so bad about what's going on. Because obviously no one is enjoying currently what's happening in the market. Obviously everyone wants everything to go up so they can make money. But it's pretty obvious that it's not YouTubers' fault. And we have received some stick ourselves, but we've seen a lot of negativity on online recently in general on YouTube and stuff. So it might be important to remember that obviously YouTubers do their best to give you the best information that they can. Obviously their opinions might vary wildly in terms of the potential of cryptocurrencies, but they do, in general, we would say, try and give you the best information possible and try and inform you with good information. So just keep that in mind before you start attacking people wildly online. Maybe you need to just reassess what you're invested in and why you're feeling so bad about it, because clearly there's quite a lot of people out there that are just attacking people online because their investments aren't panning out exactly how a YouTuber said. So it's important to keep perspective in the market is what we're saying, and try not to get too overwrought with your emotions, because this is usually one of the quickest ways to get wrecked. But as you can see, in the long term, in general, has yielded very, very good returns. As you can see, Polygon basically did nothing, and it was ranging, let's say, in between, what is this, 0.5 cent and 4 cents for essentially years here, like a few years, and then all of a sudden, at the start of 2021, massive move to the upside. So pretty clear by our estimation that in the long term, most top cryptocurrencies are going to do very well, and we do think Polygon is among this list. So our short-term price prediction, obviously we have fallen out of that pennant that most people have been outlining here for Polygon. We have broken to the downside here. So we are retesting some lows currently, but as we said, very oversold. So the bounce in the very short term today, it's probably fairly likely. But if we do continue to roll over for most cryptos and Bitcoin leads the market down, we could be looking at potentially retesting this dollar level again, and maybe even coming down lower, maybe to this 90 cent-ish level here as the next area of support if we do start to roll over. And then obviously we've got the very strong support down here at 75 cents as well. So short term, things looking pretty bearish from our estimation. But long term, as we keep saying, we do think things are going to do very, very well. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.